I'm Daniel, I'm founder of Innoactive, and we are like an XR streaming platform. Our customers, like large enterprises, they have a lot of different XR use cases. But what we're doing is like we're using like AWS G6E instances to make sure that, which are powering NVIDIA L40S, to make sure that the workloads we have for rendering, like with NVIDIA Omniverse for automotive design visualization, can be made available to all those users with a click. So for NVIDIA Omniverse, we require like more than one GPU for streaming to the Apple Vision Pro. And the G6 instances, they have like the setups with 4 GPUs, but even with 8 GPUs. So we really can dynamically pick the right slice and the right setting, the right virtual machine setup for powering the workload. So our customers like MHP and Volkswagen Group, they can just define which application requires what kind of workload, and then make sure that the user, when they start the session, gets the right virtual machine with the right AWS usage attached to it, started on demand. So for us as a software vendor, it's very important to have reliable infrastructure which is accessible worldwide. Now, specifically in the field of spatial computing, we need to have the best of the best GPUs available on demand at a reasonable cost. The AWS offering is from the availability of the GPUs, both regionally but also from the GPU setup, the best we found.
We at MHP, we are a 100% subsidiary of Porsche. We work with the automotive industry and manufacturing industry. In the engineering process today, there is a lot of prototyping, there is a lot of physical models. With the visualization on Omniverse, it will be possible to create these virtual experiences that the engineering teams are reducing the physical models. The time to market will reduce, and it will be huge cost savings in automotive and manufacturing in the future. Our customers at MHP, they use the Innoactive platform to do visualizations of large data sets, and this will give them the opportunity to visualize in the engineering and also customer-facing models they could not until today visualize on XR devices. Our development teams at MHP work all around the globe, so this solution also gives us the opportunity that our teams work in the US, in Europe, and also in South America on these data sets, prepare it on Omniverse, and bring the experience to our customer. And now the opportunity we have with Innoactive to bring that to the engineering teams is a huge benefit for the teams.